Yeah, bro, you should race.
What does a cowboy say? You can't get me. Oh, I'm dead. What am I teaching?
No.
Me?
Damn, boy.
How do you make me?
Bro.
I'm a boy, and I'm 9 years old, and he's a pedophile.
Hi.
Oh, hold on. Come here.
You're too old. You're too old.
No.
Yeah, just
And anybody
Please.
else? I may
Go
be
up like
expired.
that, go up
You're
like that.
crazy.
No, I'm not crazy. I'm a pedophile.
Yes, you are. Whoa. You want me to press him up?
Are you on Steam? Are you on
That's
Steam?
why you lost me. Wait, pig.
No.
Drop it, Nick.
Pig.
Look,
That's why you lost me, man. That's why you can't kiss me anymore.
I lied. Like.
Are you holding it from the
This
bottom
guy
of the
said
controller or not?
Oh my god. Oh
Alright, bye-bye. I can't see anyway.
no.
I'm scared. I have to
I need to
cook.
go
Yeah,
smash it.
I have to cook.
Yeah, let me get a bite.
Cook.
I need to smash it.
Let me get a bite.
Here's the recipe.
Look at this kid. I'm about to run this kid on the ground. Yo, come here, you loser. Lava monkey, you're a loser. You're a loser.
That was bad.
You're a loser. Oh, no. I'm good.
Bro, it's like 9 a.m.
Oh, that's true.
9 a.m. right now. No, look at that.
Bless you, bro. Bless you. Bless you.
If karma's real here.
Bro, my controllers keep going in my sleep.
Are you good, gang?
Breathe. Breathe, bro.
No.
To the hospital, everybody.
Call the hospital.
Call the hospital, guys. Call the
Bless you, bro.
hospital.
Calm down. Bro, I'm literally slow.
Yeah. The freaking fast hit.
Call the policeman.
No, don't leave.
Call,
I love you,
bro.
bro. I love
Call,
I'm not gonna leave. I'm just turning on phone.
No. No, I gotta. No, I cannot clutch up.
I'm just gonna play public for a little bit.
you. Bro, you're so good, sir.
Freaky catch.
No.
We're done.
Freak you.
Then can I please
Double
be-
freak you.
Triple 50.
Okay.
Bro! Leave me alone for a second. Okay, I will. Sigma, stop following me.
I'm
Oh,
so skibbity.
Damn.
No, you aren't.
No.
I got it. Maybe I don't.
Okay.
Maybe I don't.
Okay, and someone's right there. Okay.
Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed again. Ah, he got out of sight. I can't get him. Oh well, that was my.
Can't get him, he's too fast.
Wow.
He's too fast. Practicing my
Did I
best.
scare you?
No.
No. I'm sorry. Sorry.
No. Okay.
Is this lobby good or bad? I don't know.
Horrible.
Oh, I missed.
Oh,
Okay.
I missed again.
I must practice my.
Turn the vibrator. Go away. Oh, fuck. Oh. On my other
broken
controller,
ankles,
see it instead of
broken
this
ankles.
one.
He
Oh.
can hit his ankles.
Oh. Fuck.
Damn it.
Oh my god.
Oh.
It should ignore
Oh.
It shouldn't add
Oh.
going.
No way. Come on.
Plus your movement together.
No way, did you join the same lobby?
Unless you're not moving your hand.
Jimmy.
But is my head broken?
Yeah, no! No!
So trash.
Now you're good.
I literally tried getting you like a million times.
Now you're good. Now you're good.
My neck.
It happened to me so many times with people on bad days. It's chill. Okay.
Blue.
Yeah?
What's your opinion on 60 hertz? Wherever you're at. Oh, there you go.
Really good.
Let me see what
Helps.
Okay, good. How to make you?
I'm on 60.
Okay.
I got bad in
It's not how it works.
Monkey game.
Every game is made out of pixels.
What's up, bro?
I think.
What's up, bro?
Sigma for you.
What's up, Lava Monkey? What's up, Lava Noob?
You know me as the Rizzler. I'm the Panther.
You know me as the Rizzler. I'm the picker dressed in black. When I give your girl the ring,
you
they
just
say
on the
it's
news?
coming back.
Yeah. So if you know how to see
You
it,
know me as the
when
Rizzler.
me
I'm
in
the
a
picker
cloud.
dressed in black.
No, go away.
I'm the
When me in a
dressed in black.
cloud.
When I give your
No.
girl the ring, they say Trixie's coming back.
Cause you said I'm bad, so 1v1 me.
You are.
Who's God bad?
Hold on. Boy.
Bro.
Hold on.
Alright.
Yo, fucking
No,
Right,
hold on.
no.
I caught you. I caught your cutout, bro.
Alright? Don't call me
Boom.
Clap them cheeks!
Boom. Boom. Alright,
Boom.
boom. Boom. Say it,
Boom.
I know that way. Boom.
Don't let me clap them cheeks.
How hard he clapped me, bro. That's how hard I clapped this cheek. Boom.
Dakota?
I forgot I'm tagged.
Chow. What? No way, Jamie, I missed that? Finally.
No, I almost threw my controller.
Now, frick you, dumb kid. I hate you.
Pause. Yo, what's wrong with the kid?
I'm joking. I love you. I
Oh,
love you.
pause.
I love your
I
grandma.
love this Miles around here.
I'm
I
new
love
to
how
the game.
she
I
is.
only have one cosmetic.
That doesn't mean you're new to the game.
You only have one cosmetic? Make that two. I'm gonna make that two. I'm gonna be your cosmetic, little bro.
Look, you love.
Two.
When I said this Marty.
Damn it.
Oh, I thought that was lava.
I'm new to the game, but I've been good to the game.
No.
I'm good at the game, but I'm new to the game.
No.
I was born yesterday.
Oh, wow, crazy.
You are not born yesterday and be good. Like, that's not possible.
I mean, it can't be.
And
It
I'm
is.
only 2 years old, and
I
I'm
just
already
sold.
good at this game.
Baby girl. That was bad.
Well, then move your chair.
Look. I don't have any space.
Yeah.
Well, then move it into the kitchen.
At a really fast pace.
The kitchen has no space.
Theoretically. Work.
Well, then play in
Why are
your
you
basement.
behind? Get away from me. Literally
I don't have a
huge fat
fucking basement.
stomachs behind
Hey, no swearing.
Well, then play in your attic.
I don't. Oh, wait, that's a good idea. I'm gonna do that.
Oh my god.
you. Right in the cheeks. Boom.
That.
Daddy's on me.
This person didn't have enough space to
That
play,
playing in the
so
attic.
then he's actually a good idea. So he went to his attic.
No, I'm gonna. I don't know if I can.
I gave him that idea.
But I'm
Can I
probably
go
gonna
in?
make the whole house.
Oh
Not because I'm fat. I'm not fat.
no. Yo, you guys should target me. Never mind.
I think I know
Probably
why,
because
though.
No. Let's redo that.
Okay, I'm gonna get some little things. Big things. I don't know.
I'm
Oh
leaving.
no.
I'm leaving. No, bro. You gave me the best ideas.
Why not?
Don't leave.
Right. But just know, I want to go to bed in a few minutes.
Okay.
you wanna join the private code? You
No.
wanna join the private code?
I'll join the private code.
Shit! Alright, come
Shitting
on.
in my underwear!